Okay, y'all, we got another eBay mail order. This one here is going out to Mr. Edgar in Mission, Texas. He got a genuine Chevrolet Bowtie. Never has been installed. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take and wrap it up so it don't get scratched up, being beat around in the back of the postal truck, and a blue towel. And I'm gonna stick it back in the box. Check out our main channel at Dixie Customs. This is going to be on Dixie Customs Extra. So, Mr. Edgar, if you want to check out our main channel, we would appreciate it. We appreciate what you've done to support the business and the channels. We're going to stick to it. Stick the part in here. Like I said, we're going to stick you a sticker in there after our main channel. So we appreciate you supporting the channel by buying the product off the internet. Every little bit helps. I ain't got enough hands to keep it closed. All right. And here's another product out the door. We put a fragile label on it, so maybe that'll help them not beat it up so bad. But there you go, Mr. Edgar. Your part will be on the way. So hope you have a Merry Christmas and hope this gets you back underway on whatever your project is. Thanks for your order. Catch you next time.